Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make mushroom and potato curry today. For this we need about 8 ounces of cut mushroom pieces, one big potato, russet potato, boiled it and peeled. I boiled it about 12 minutes and peeled the skin and cut into pieces. Half a cup of onion finely chopped, half a cup of cilantro finely chopped, and 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, about 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of masala, the roasted coriander masala. I'll put the link in the description. That's an optional thing too. And this one, the cornstarch mix I made, like with half a cup of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, half a cup of water. I made it mixed and made a liquid. And here I heated the oil in the pan and added mustard and cumin seeds, half a teaspoon each, and fry them, and then added the onions and ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste also optional. If you don't have it, you can buy in the store. You don't have to make it, or if you don't want to have it at all, you can use ginger garlic powder, about 1/4 teaspoon each, and or you can completely avoid it. It's up to you. Then I added turmeric also and fried it a little bit, and added potato pieces and fried a little bit. Mushrooms cook very quickly. That's why I had to boil the potato before. But potatoes also won't take too long, but mushrooms are a lot faster than potatoes. So now add mushrooms also and fry them a little more for 5 minutes. The whole cooking takes less than 10 minutes. The preparation takes about 10 to 15 minutes. So fry it. If you don't like to have a curry, you want a side item, you don't want that gravy or sticky gravy or something like that, then you just have to, you see this chili powder, I always tell you, it's up to your taste. If I'm making it, it's only for me. This chili powder and salt will be half of what I put it. So just it's always think about how much you like and add it. Like you don't have to it doesn't have to be exactly 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon salt. So this, now I'm going to add that mixture, corn flour starch mixture. This I added a half more cup of water in there, so I won't lose any of that. Yeah, add it. But I can get a little more thick gravy for the eat with Indian roti and naan or rice. If you don't want it, as I told you before, if you don't want the curry, you want just a side item, you can avoid this part. If you want, you can just add half a cup of water, no cornstarch. Just fry it until the water evaporates. And that to make the mushroom and all the spices mix well with mushroom and potato and cook well. So keep stirring, and once it's cooked well, add the cilantro and the masala I told you. I'll put the link in the description how to make that masala. That's an optional too. If you don't want to do all that, you don't like it, all those spices, just don't, you can avoid that. As it is very tasty already. So finally, this masala always goes last, and mix well and take it out into your dish, and serve it with some rice or roti, or it can be a side item too, like with your meat and vegetables. And I hope you like the video. If you do, please subscribe my channel. I'll be posting more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.